Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. When you're so over having short hair, you might start looking for a quick fix to achieve hair length fast. We all want long, thick and shiny hairs. But for most of us, it seems too difficult to have hairs like that. Many internal factors like aging, hormones, etc. can have an impact on your hair scalp. Hear the prescription of healthy, shiny, thick and long hair with this magic water. What you need for this remedy: 1 cup rice and 1 cup water. Let's make it. Rinse and strain your rice to remove any dirt or impurities that you don't want to apply to your hair. Mix the strained rice in a medium-sized bowl with the water. You should mix until the water becomes pretty cloudy. Strain the rice, this time reserving the water. Store the rice for later, or cook it up. Put the rice water in a container and cover it. Let the rice water sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This allows it to ferment and all of the yummy vitamins and minerals to come out. Refrigerate the rice water until you're ready to use it. Fill a small container, or shampoo bottle or a small jar, with rice water for application. Keep the rest in your fridge. How to use it. You won't need to change your washing schedule around your rice water rinse, simply use it after shampooing and conditioning, whether that's once a day or once a week. When applying the rice water, try to really focus in on your scalp and work your way out. Let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. You'll probably notice immediately how strong and thick your hair feels. But the question is rice water good for hair? Yes, it is perfect for hair. Studies show that rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair. Every possible way, rice water is great for your hair. It is safe, natural, and has absolutely no side effects. It improves the condition of your hair in a healthy manner. Rice water contains starch, which is a complex sugar molecule. These ingredients are key to hair health and are seen in many hair growth products. Results show that rice water has not been proven to help hair grow, but it is possible that it may help hair look shinier and healthier. If you find this video useful, please press like button, share with your friends to watch more video like this, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and you will be notified when we put a new videos.
Benefits of fenugreek seed hair mask. I call this recipe Miracle Hair Mask because it helps with so many hair issues. It's also one of the most popular hair masks with the Indian women, because of its amazing beauty and healing effects. Benefits of Miracle Hair Mask. Reduces hair loss. Prevents dandruff and promotes healthy scalp. Encourages faster hair growth. Moisturizes hair and leaves it feeling soft, shiny and smooth. Strengthens hair shaft and adds volume to your hair. Tames frizz and flyaways. Greatly reduces split ends and hair breakage. Makes detangling really easy. Helps prevent hair thinning that occurs due to menopause. The good thing about the Miracle Hair Mask is that it works for all hair types. Whether your hair is dry or oily, fine or coarse, frizzy or damaged, everyone can use it. How to make the Miracle Hair Mask. You will need 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed powder, 5 to 6 tablespoons yogurt, use plain, whole fat, 1 to 2 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil or castor oil, 1 teaspoon shiitake powder, optional, gives hair body and bounce, 1 teaspoon amla powder, optional, helps to darken hair, 1/4 cup water, optional, to thin out the mixture. Mix all the 3 ingredients in a bowl, cover with a lid and set aside of 2 to 3 hours. During this time fenugreek seed powder will swell, and the entire mixture will thicken up and become slightly slimy. If you think the mixture is too thick to apply, add a few tablespoons of water to make the mixture more creamy. How to use. Start with dry or damp hair. Apply this mask to your scalp and hair. Put on your shower cap or wrap your head in a muslin cloth or a towel. You can also leave your hair uncovered as this mixture won't drip. Leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse off thoroughly. Wash with a natural shampoo and let your hair dry naturally. Do this mask once a week to restore and maintain your hair. Enjoy your beautiful hair. According to some people who have applied this hair mask, the results are impressive and efficient. Do it and share your opinion with us. in comment below. If you find this video useful, please press like button and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.